At Stewarton Memorials, we know that a memorial is more than just a stone. It's a lasting tribute to a loved one. With over 50 years' experience, you can rest assured you are in safe hands. Whether you need a simple name and date or a meaningful message, we ensure every word is beautifully and carefully inscribed. Over time, memorials can fade or become weathered. Our expert restoration services can bring them back to their original beauty. From professional cleaning and regilding to full headstone repairs, we restore dignity and clarity to every tribute. All work is carried out with care, directly at the graveside. For expert memorial inscriptions and restoration across Scotland, trust Stewarton Memorials. Visit our show yard in Wishaw or call us today.